What up, YouTube, man? It's been a minute. I ain't made a video in like 3 weeks, but y'all know my car been in the interior shop. But today is the big day, man. Today is the big day. Keep y'all updated with it. I ain't been trying to show no pictures. I wanted to show a little sneak peek, but nah, I ain't showing nothing. So today the big day. We about to get to it with my brother Q. With Steve, yo, ugly, cool ass, head ass boy. But yeah, we on our way. Go check it out. Pick my car up. I ain't have my car in a cool second. But hey, when I tell you this thing clean. But I'll see you in a second. Oh man, this is the moment we've been waiting for, man. She back. Ooh, I know y'all seen a little sneak peek. There she go. There she go. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think. Got everything wrapped on this bad boy. Everything. I know you see, I kept the Super Sport in there. Everything wrapped. Check out the pattern though. Check out the seat pattern. Check how legit that is. Check out the seat pattern. No, I didn't go buckets. No, we like benches over here. I didn't go buckets. I kept the bench. I'm not rocking with no bench. None of that. Yeah. Look at this. I told my bro to back it up into the sunlight, so I'm gonna get y'all a better video, but yo, this bad boy nasty. I love it. Back seat, new carpet back there. Yeah, thirsty. I gotta do something about this. This is ugly right here. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I mean, I'll probably do some little enclosure with my speakers that's gonna extend out or something, cause that's ugly as hell. But this right here though, oh my God, got the 2 speakers right here. It's pretty close though. It's close as hell. I don't even think no speaker can fit there. We gonna see though. Everything in there. Everything legit, man. Everything legit, man. This motherfucker scream. Yeah. Motherfucker put you in your seat. This motherfucker right, G. This motherfucker. I still gotta get my brakes fixed. Motherfuckers is leaking. They leaking? That new shit on there. That's what I said. That's all new though. God dang. All that new shit. Niggas can't figure out what's going on. Dre shit doing the same shit. You get in the rear yet? He changed his lines and shit. Now his shit leaking too. Trying to figure out what to do. I think it's that T, that little T thing in the middle that connect all the lines. Oh, I know what you're talking about. Exactly what you're talking about. This motherfucker running. This motherfucker knocked the money out your pockets. Hold up. Oh God. Where the fuck my money? Oh God. Hold up. Make sure I got my money in my pocket. Fuck. This motherfucker robbed your ass. That's crazy. Coming through the hood dumb in this bitch. That's crazy. Motherfucker. How many gears in this transmission? 6. All the gears. My brakes don't really stop it. My front brakes only working. Oh, damn. My back brakes not working. Okay, I see what you're saying now. Cause all the fluid, nigga, dumping motherfucker get on it. I swear to God. He's gonna tell you, nigga, what's up? What y'all niggas talking? God damn. I feel like that motherfucker wanna start dancing in the street. So we done made it back to the crib safe and sound, man. I didn't want to show all my people. Everybody loved it, man. Everybody think it's clean, stupid clean. I love it, man. My guy Eli, if y'all looking who done it, I should have got him on camera, at least the shop. But it's Eli's Auto Trim. It's in Oklahoma City. Hey, he nice. He one of the nicest around here, if not the nicest. But yeah, man, everything turning out right. Talked to my painter. He waiting for me. Oh, I gotta go ahead and get these brakes dialed in. We thought they was fixed, but they not. Still leaking. I don't know. These brakes giving me hell. So I'm gonna get that going. Try to go ahead and just send it to a brake shop or somebody that just specializes in brakes. And other than that, man, I gotta install a DigiDash, coilovers, and we gonna get that in the shop probably this week. Like, I gotta move fast, man. This date is coming quick. I told y'all July 24th, 27th, whatever date, somewhere around there. I got like a month and a half. So, whew, it's tough, man. It is tough. It's gonna be a close race, but right now everything lining up right. I just gotta make it happen. I can't be boiling, so it's all up on me. But everything else, man, turning out right. I'm gonna give y'all a slow-mo of the interior for the last time, so y'all check it out. Check it out. You know what I'm saying? You can check it out. Check it out. But here you go, man. Hold up. Hey, man, I just hit 300 subscribers too, so man, I appreciate that. I thank everybody for following. Keep up, man. I swear, this L code is gonna make some noise. It's gonna be a big dog. I swear to God. Keep following me, man. We finna this is gonna be a quick process right here. We got a month for paint, rims, and some installs with the coilovers, the digital dash, and what else? It's something else I can't think of. My brakes, a couple more things. But I'm gonna make another video of that so I could show y'all a breakdown of what all I got. Ain't a lot, so it's gonna be a small video. But I do want to break it down, show y'all what I got as in part wise to get right. Other than that, man, we should be ready on the highway. I'm gonna try to fit AC in. I'm gonna try. If I get the time, or if I get the time, we putting AC in here. Cause I'm driving it to the show, to Smoking the O, which is in Tulsa. It's about 2 hours away. And man, that's gonna be a long ride with no AC. So I'm gonna try to fit it in. Hopefully I can. If not, then hey, it's cool. Hey, I ain't always had AZ. So hey, it wouldn't be just that big of a deal. But it's cool. We on to the next, you know what I'm saying? On to the next. But man, I appreciate the love, man. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Make sure y'all share it, man, onto y'all social medias. Please share it. You know, get me spread around out in y'all states, whatnot. Other than that, man, I appreciate the love. Y'all have a good one. See you next time. Peace.